Hey guys, what is up? And today we're going to be talking about the 6 best digital marketing ideas to utilize during quarantine. Obviously, number 1 would be the power of social media. Everyone is at home, they're going to be on their phones, they're going to be on social media, looking at the news, looking through their feeds. So now would be the best time to be getting onto social media. If you're not already on it, this is the time to be making those accounts on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, across all platforms, especially TikTok. TikTok is blowing up very rapidly during this time of quarantine, especially because everyone's at home, everyone's consuming content. They have no choice but to be on social media, especially if you're an offline business right now. You have to get on social media during this time. Now is the time. So number 2, going on from that point of social media, you need to, if your business is purely offline, you need to bring it online and make sure that you have a website, make sure you have social media that people can follow you on, make sure that you're communicating with your customer on other platforms other than in person, because if your business is purely offline, you're going to go out of business. That's just a fact of life now. The internet is moving forward and you have to be moving forward with it, otherwise you're going to be left behind. So number 3 is probably going to be the most controversial topic on this, is pay-per-click. Because everyone is at home and because everyone's going to be on their technological platforms, pay-per-click probably is the best way to advertise right now, just because everyone is on their different platforms. If they weren't at home, I would totally disregard that pay-per-click was a good idea. Right now, it is probably one of the best ideas just because everyone's at home. Otherwise, I would say to disregard it. And number 4 on the list is to make sure that you're analyzing your competitors' results. So for example, let's say you're a media company that is up and coming. You need to be analyzing what your competitors are doing during this time and their work, their previous work, their upcoming work, the work they're releasing right now, and then compare it to yours and what you can do better to be there and on par with them. So for example, let's say you are that company that's up and coming. You need to pick where you want to be, find a company that you aspire to be at the level of, and then copy everything. Not copy exactly what they're doing, but copy what they're doing in terms of how to get to their levels of success. So number 5 would probably be get ready for that post-quarantine bounce back. So you need to be ready for as soon as this lockdown is over, you need to be ready to bounce back with your business. You need to be coming up with new products, new ideas, new ways to appeal to the new customer base that you're going to be having, new ways to bring in more clients. That's all down to you now. So you have these two or 3 weeks left of this quarantine to come up with all these ideas and make sure that you're ready for this post-quarantine bounce back. So number 6 would be to come up with some special offers, because special offers are good right now. People are not having as much work. Most people are out of work unless you're an essential worker, and you need to be coming up with ways to appeal to that audience of the people that cannot afford as much as they could before, and coming up with the special offers that are going to grab their eye and grab their attention and be ready for those clients to be coming in. So with that all being said, those are my 6 simple digital marketing ideas that you could utilize during this time of lockdown. I hope you guys did like it. Make sure to follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. If you haven't already, make sure to go down and subscribe to me. If you're subscribed to me, make sure to hit that bell notification to get notified as soon as I upload a new video. If you did like the video, make sure to leave a like down below. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And I'll see you guys in my next video.